Looking for a compact camera that delivers stunning image quality without the bulk? You're in the right place. Here are the top 3 best point-and-shoot cameras in 2025, small in size but big on performance. These cameras are perfect for travel, vlogging, or everyday use, offering features like powerful zoom, great low-light shots, and 4K video, all in your pocket. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech pics, and let me know in the comments which one you'd go for. Let's get into it. Number 3, Fujifilm X106. The Fujifilm X106 is a stellar evolution of an already iconic series, blending retro design with cutting-edge tech. At its core is a new 40.2 MP X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor paired with the X Processor 5, delivering razor-sharp images and stunning dynamic range. The built-in 23mm f/2 lens maintains its reputation for superb sharpness and beautiful bokeh, while the updated in-body image stabilization, IBIS, adds real-world usability for low-light and handheld shooting. Autofocus is significantly improved, especially with subject detection powered by deep learning. Street photographers and documentary shooters will love its quick response and near-silent shutter. Video features also see a boost, now capable of 6.2K at 30 frames per second, a big leap for a compact camera. The hybrid viewfinder, one of the X100 series trademarks, continues to offer a unique shooting experience, letting users toggle between optical and electronic views. While the price has crept upward, the X106 justifies it with performance and refinement. It's arguably the best compact camera for enthusiasts and pros who crave top-tier quality in a portable, stylish form. Number 2, Ricoh GR3 HDF. The Ricoh GR3 HDF is a refined take on a cult classic, offering photographers a stealthy, pocketable powerhouse with a few meaningful upgrades. The standout addition is the Highlight Diffusion Filter, HDF, which softens highlights and creates a dreamy, film-like glow straight out of camera, perfect for street, portrait, or moody travel photography. It adds a creative edge that sets it apart from other compacts in its class. At its heart, the GR3 HDF still features the sharp 28mm f/2.8 lens paired with a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, delivering crisp detail and excellent image quality in a tiny form factor. Autofocus is quick and responsive, and the intuitive user interface makes the camera a joy to operate, even one-handed. Image stabilization remains a welcome feature for handheld shooting. Battery life is modest, and there's no built-in viewfinder, but these are expected trade-offs for such a slim body. For purists and creatives who want a minimalist, high-performance camera that captures moments with character and soul, the Ricoh GR3 HDF is an inspiring tool that continues the GR legacy with a fresh, artistic twist. Number 1, Panasonic Lumix CS99. The Panasonic Lumix CS99 is a compact travel zoom camera that packs an impressive punch for its size. Designed for versatility and portability, it features a 20.3 MP 1/2.3-inch sensor and an incredible 30x optical zoom, 24 to 720mm equivalent, making it ideal for everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects on the go. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, and a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, which enhance usability in various shooting conditions. The ZS99 also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and Panasonic's signature 4K photo mode, letting you extract high-res stills from video footage, perfect for capturing fast action. Its 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilizer, works well to reduce blur, especially at longer focal lengths. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to share photos instantly. However, due to the small sensor, low-light performance can be limited compared to larger sensor rivals. Overall, the Lumix CS99 is a fantastic all-in-one travel companion for casual shooters who want reach, convenience, and solid performance without the bulk of a DSLR or mirrorless setup. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 3 best point-and-shoot cameras of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite camera, or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.